Surprising but true, faxing is still an everyday part of a lot of businesses because of their compliance and oversight ease. So one of those record-keeping things that you have to do as part of your fax business process is have transmission confirmations. So let me show you how to set up fax transmission reports on your Kyocera 4 Series device. So this is an administrative function. We're going to go to System menu, and then we're going to look at the Notification and Reports tab. This has all kinds of functions, but what we're specifically looking for is the Result Report setting. This will do for transmission. So right here I have the Fax RX Result Report, and I have already turned it on. For more information about your Kyocera 4 Series device and how to use fax technology in a modern organization, you can like and follow this channel or reach us at bdsdoc.com.